So you're thinking about putting your home on the market and you want to make sure that you're going to get the best return on your investment. These tips should help. It's a really big deal to sell your home, and I'm sure it can be nerve-wracking just thinking about all that is involved. Have you ever heard of curb appeal? It's the first impression that your buyer will see when they arrive at your home, and this is so important. There are a few things that you should think about to make sure your home looks its best before potential buyers arrive. First, rent a power washer or have someone come and do the power washing for you. Either way, you want to wash years of dirt off your driveway, your sidewalk, and your home. Pay attention to the front door. As an agent, it takes a few seconds for me to open a lockbox, and this gives a chance to really look at your entryway while they're waiting to get in. Do you have paint peeling off the doors or cobwebs around the lights? Next, make sure to work with your agent on staging your home. 77% of buyer agents say that staging a home makes it easier for buyers to visualize themselves living in it. And staging will help your home stand out against the competition by showcasing the very best features of your home to your buyers. Also, researchers say that professionally staged homes can sell for as much as 10% more than homes that are not staged. Marketing is essential. You're going to want to make sure to get professional photos done and professional video. According to the National Association of Realtors, 67% of buyers will walk through a home that they saw online. So, professional photo and video is an absolute must when preparing to sell your home. And the good news is we will actually include these photos and videos as part of our service. Lastly, now that your home is all ready for buyers, you must have a showing plan. Buyers and their agents may request a showing of your home at any time without giving you much notice, so you have to be prepared. Until your home is under contract, it's important to be able to leave your home at a moment's notice if need be. A few things you can do is plan simpler meals for easy cleanup. Make plans for some outdoor activities. Also, find a place to put your pets during showings. Maybe family or a good friend to take care of them. These tips will help you get your home sold faster and for the amount of money that you deserve. For more information, feel free to call me, Kimberly Price with eXp Realty, shopping for your next life adventure.